Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your payout schedule to bi-weekly on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start getting paid bi-weekly on eBay. How do you actually go ahead and change your payout schedule? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first hop into our eBay app. Then afterwards, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on selling. And then from here, you want to click on your total funds. So right now my total funds say $4.18. Next, what you'll do from here is that it's going to say payout schedule daily. So click on payout schedule daily. And then this is a really important step, guys. Underneath payout schedule, you want to click on that. And then this is where you're going to change it to bi-weekly. Once you click on bi-weekly, go ahead and click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payout schedule to bi-weekly on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.